welcome to Seattle day 2. Technically day 3, but full day 2. Thank you for joining me today. If you saw my previous vlogs, you know that I was in St. Louis, then came to Seattle, went to a football game. That was fun, besides our team not winning. Again, I'm not like super into sports, but I did root for a specific team. It was Michigan State University against University of Washington here in Seattle at the Husky Stadium. And it was fun. The energy was fun. It was a little chilly, a little cool being September in Seattle, but it was really a really exciting time. As you saw, I just put on the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. I put 2 layers on my face and then I put some on my neck and some on my back. I have to tell you, these mirrors really help in terms of applying sunscreen on the back of the neck as well as like the sides of the neck and everything. Having all these mirrors like everywhere is fantastic. I even have a mirror right here that I was applying full frontal. Today we are meeting one of my friends from Houston. He moved up here for a job. He lives here in Seattle now. And then I think we're gonna go get coffee, and from there, I'm not sure. I know that we talked about going to Pike Place Market? Is that what it's called? I've been there once before. So I've been to Seattle once before and I went there and I don't remember seeing the fish, like them throwing the fish. I don't remember seeing the flying fish. So I have to look out for it. But yeah, I'm on the hunt for some good dark roast today. So we're going to a place called Muddy's Cafe. I think it's like near the Ballard neighborhood. It's outside of where we are. We're staying like Fifth Avenue, downtown Fifth Avenue on the corner. Staying at the Lot Hotel. So Fifth Avenue and Columbia, I think. We're like right next to the Columbia Center Tower, which I've heard, and I think I'm gonna do that sometime during this trip. I've heard it's better than the Space Needle. Like you get better views of the city. Anyway, I need to do my hair. All I put in my hair today was a leave-in conditioner. I'm quite warm right now. I might need to turn the air conditioning on. A leave-in conditioner, and then I blow dried it just to add some extra volume. I wanna go to Target maybe and get some of that Sunbum salt spray, just add some texture and some style to it. But I think it's fine for traveling, right? So this is my street outfit for Seattle today. It's basic dark as usual. I'm wearing J. Crew t-shirt, and I'm not sure. I think these are like black cargo pants from, oh gosh, I don't know, maybe Aeropostale, I think. And then I'm wearing my On Clouds for a walk-in. So I'm all set for Seattle. Room service breakfast. Coffee. What did you get? Granola. I got the country breakfast. Oh, thank the Lord for coffee. So pardon the mess, but I brought this big bottle of Vaseline, this petroleum jelly, petrolatum. oh God, I'm slipping. It's very slippy, but I really like petrolatum in terms of its occlusive properties. So I use this as my slugging stuff. I've been slugging recently. So slugging basically, if you haven't, I mean, you probably heard about slugging. So slugging basically, oh, let me get some better lighting here. So slugging, and you probably heard of slugging, you've probably done it before, but if you haven't, it's basically just applying a layer of petrolatum on your skin in addition to moisturizer to occlude that moisture even further and prevent it from evaporating. So petrolatum is one of the most highly occlusive ingredients on planet Earth in terms of its ability to prevent transepidermal water loss. So if you're attempting to really heal your moisture barrier, your skin barrier, and especially if you're using retinol and you're using products that are drying your skin out, slugging might be a good way to go. So what I do when I slug is I put on, after I cleanse my face in the evening, I apply onto wet skin. Usually I try to do like a serum, some type of hydrating serum. It doesn't really matter what it is, as long as it has like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, something like that, that will provide that humectant and that will bind to water. And then on top of that, I'll put a thick layer of moisturizer. So usually the CeraVe cream moisturizer, which I really like. The CeraVe cream moisturizer, I think it also is highly occlusive and very hydrating. And then on top of that, I'll take the bottle of Vaseline and I'll apply a little to my fingertips, maybe like, I don't know, maybe an 1/8 of a teaspoon, if that. And then I'll rub it together in my fingers and warm it up. And that just helps to, it's pretty thick when it comes out of it's like a thick gel when it comes out of the bottle. So I'll just warm it up in my hands. It'll become liquidy. And then I will softly glide it over the moisturizer and the serum that I applied on to that damp skin. And that just occludes it and seals seals it in, and then I'll go to sleep. And usually I'll try to sleep on my back if I can, so I'm not wiping off the moisturizer onto the pillow or the sheets. But you know, that can be hard to do. And usually I use like a silk pillowcase or something like that, and that helps to prevent the migration of the moisturizer and the petrolatum onto the sheets. But that's what I do. It's been working really well in terms of keeping my skin hydrated in the morning. It's not dry or anything. It's still quite moist and damp and beautiful. So I've been doing that for not very long. I think I will check in after maybe about three months after doing it consistently, so you can see sort of, you know, before and after my thoughts and things like that. But this is just my initial experience. I think it's highly beneficial for people, especially people with dry skin, people who live in dry climates, and if you're using retinol or any, again, hydrating or acids, exfoliating acids, things that are going to be drying out your skin, I think slugging is a good way to go. So we just got back. Let me see how much time I have. 7 minutes left on this card. So we just got back and we're in the room right now. I was trying to avoid this going to Seattle, but we saw this really nice Starbucks and we went inside and I got a Mint Majesty tea, and Jacob, who's also in bed right now relaxing, got a pint, yeah, right after we went to Pike Market actually. So I think we passed by the original Starbucks and there was like a long line there, like a super long line, like it looked like 100 people waiting in line to get in there to get some coffee. That's just too much for Starbucks, you know, because we just usually get like a black coffee or like unsweet tea, so it was just too much for us. But anyway, Jacob is relaxing, I'm relaxing. Today we went and got coffee with my friend from Houston. So when I lived in Houston, I made friends with someone and he... Well, I did.
It's just the way you said it.
Well, I did, and it was just like one person that I made friends with in Houston. Well, no, 2 people, I guess. Can you see how tired my eyes look? I mean, super red right now. I'll just get past this. But he lives in Seattle now, so we went and got coffee at the Muddy Cup, I think, cafe.
Yes, that sounds
Muddy
right.
Cup Cafe. That was good, and we sat and talked, and I think we're gonna meet up with him. His parents, who I know, are coming into town on Wednesday, which is like a total surprise. We may like meet up and have dinner with them on Wednesday. Before we go, we go on Thursday. Today is Sunday. Which is also Sunday when I post this vlog. But anyway, yeah, I got coffee and then we went to Pike Market, walked around, and tons of people. How's your pastry, Jacob?
Very good. I'm happy.
Not really my vibe, sort of the touristy thing. I don't really like to do touristy things, but it was fun just to see and like experience it. We saw the flying fish. Why do they?
We're supposed to cheer!
Yeah, that was fun. So now we're just gonna relax, drink our tea and our coffee, and then maybe take a nap or something, put some eye drops in my eyes, maybe take another shower. I don't know, I love that shower. That shower is just amazing. Just having all that space and just the warm water consistently, which I mean, my shower at home is warm consistently, but yeah, I like hotel life for a little bit. It's fun. Okay, I'll see you later. I came into Target to get some sea salt spray because I didn't have any to travel with. I'm just going to leave this behind, but I got this, I picked up the Pantene. I will review this to see if it's any good. It's just 6 ounces. I think it was like $6.99 for this bottle. I was looking for the sun bomb because I wanted that sun protection, but this will do just as well, just for styling. Then also I found the chocolate. Jacob's here with me in Target. I think I might get the 85 or 90 Lent maybe. Did you want to have any chocolate, Jacob?
No.
No?
Does that mean you're gonna get 90?
Well, yeah, I'll probably get 90. So Jacob and I took a short little nap. Actually, Jacob slept and I basically rested my eyes, as you say. I didn't sleep, but I got sort of like the same restorative process that that occurs with just laying down still and closing your eyes for a prolonged period of time. Anyway, I tried the Pantene. I'm getting ready for sushi night. We're gonna go visit, hang out with our friends from New York who live here in Seattle now. We're gonna get sushi. But I tried the Pantene Natural Waves that I got at Target, and I do do like it, but I just sort of messed with my hair too much. This is the problem. I mess with my hair far too much and I get it the way I want it to get, and then I fidget with it and then it ruins it. So I've had to style my hair a lot and blow dry it more than I care to. But anyway, I got it to a somewhat okay point right now. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. I think it's fine. But I am getting ready. I took off all my sunscreen because I think we're gonna be out by the time sunset is set. Sunset occurs, and so I don't need any sunscreen. So I have a bare naked, clean, cleansed, moisturized face. Hi, okay, it's another Seattle night, evening in the books. I'm super sleepy. It's only like 9 o'clock Seattle time, obviously, but I am tired. Oh,
We're going to party.
no, we're not going to party, but I'm tired, so I'm in bed already at 9 o'clock. Had great sushi. I had ice cream too. I didn't vlog that, but filming on my iPhone right now because I'm too tired to even get up and get my camera, but hopefully you're okay with that. Yeah, we're gonna be here for another 3 full days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So keep watching those YouTube videos. Okay, we actually extended our stay here like 2 nights. So I had to we had to recheck in or something. I don't know, something weird. I don't know. Well, anyway, what am I saying? I'm too tired to function, too tired to think. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop off. I will see you tomorrow. Stick around for tomorrow's a full day in Seattle. So stick around for that. If you like these vlogs, hit that like button down below. Hit subscribe, and yeah, I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.